Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to optimize your language settings in your Samsung Galaxy devices. So if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Please do not forget to press the bell notification bar and please subscribe my channel. Your one subscribe gives me more confidence to make better videos for you. Please subscribe. So now without wasting any time, we will go to settings. After going to settings, you'll have to search for languages. And languages you have to type LANG languages. It will take some time to come. Now you have to go to language. After going to language, you can go to system language. Now there are many. You can change it to English India. You can change it to English United States.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
It comes like this. You can change even to Hindi. You can change your language. Autofill services are also available in your autofill service from Google. Also, you have got on-screen keyboard, physical keyboard, text-to-speech. Text-to-speech means when you are typing and if you press on the Google speech button, then you can convert it into text again. You can change your languages as per your wish. You can change it to Hindi, English United States. This is the best language I prefer. Language and output, language change shortcuts are also there. By pressing few buttons you can lot shortcuts happen. So if you like our videos, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Please and do not forget to press on the bell notification for the best videos ever. Bye bye, take care, have a good day.